Welcome to Altrady, the world's #1 multi-exchange crypto trading platform. Today we are focusing on Ethereum, which is following Bitcoin like a shadow, but without having a real direction of its own. Let's dive into the charts and analyze them together. Let's start first with the king Bitcoin. On April 8th, it kicked off a textbook bullish impulse, posting an impressive plus 9% in just 2 days. The accumulation zone obliterated. The key resistance we highlighted in our usual technical analysis post on X, as the first target was hit as predicted, and even exceed with style and strong buying volume. If you missed that post, shame, but no worries. Follow us on social and you will get daily deep analysis and insight for free. And Ethereum? It's not exactly booming, but it's trying to keep up. It broke above the 21 period moving average and is now targeting the 30. This is a critical moment. We are in the middle of an all-out bull versus bear war. And here there are no ties. You either go up or down. If Ethereum manages to hold above the moving average 30 periods in the coming days, and only if it's backed by strong buying volume and a breakout of the descending diagonal trend line, then we can start talking about a real trend reversal. Right now, Ethereum is still technically in a downtrend. This bounce for now is just that, a bounce, even if the price action is better than the one we saw last March. Back then, after touching the 21 moving average, Ethereum got immediately slammed down. The levels to watch are clear. Support at 1672, weekly resistance at 1857, and pay close attention to the 1952 level. If that breaks, we could finally see Ethereum step into the spotlight. The real turning point will come only when the 10-1 moving average crosses above the 30 and the price holds above both with increasing buying volume. That is the textbook setup for a confirmed bullish trend. What does all this mean for traders? First, keep a close eye on Ethereum's price action and price structure. Second, don't get fooled by small pumps. And third, watch the volume. If it's not rising, then don't trust it. Don't trust the move. With Altrady, you can track moving average in real time and set the alerts so you never miss the key moment. Remember, in the crypto world, those who wait for the right signal are the ones who win. Bitcoin has fired up the engine and Ethereum is on the launch pad. But without confirmation, everything is still up in the air. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. If you liked the video, and if it was helpful, leave a like and share it. See you next time.